YouSeries.
Biturbo.
The new IXO.
The new measuring app.
X-Log. Power has a new size. The drill driver, the sander and the vacuum cleaner of the new Bosch YouSeries are so remarkably compact and amazingly powerful. They are easy to use and have a great design. So try it out. The power that has a new size.
The new IXO 6, now with a big design fresh up. It will be available in two colors, one in the new pale green from Home & Garden and one in the color edition, which will be designed by the users. And on top, we have a new technical highlight, the speed control, with which you can regulate the speed while screwdriving.
With Biturbo, Bosch is introducing the next generation of cordless tools. The new tools, 3 angle grinders, 3 saws and 2 rotary hammers, are even better than corded tools from Bosch. They all work with one 18-volt battery and deliver a comparable performance up to 1800 watt.
Our new app makes measuring tasks more organized, flexible and efficient. It supports all laser measures from the Bosch product range, including tools for professionals and DIYers.
That's X-Log, that's our ultimative revolutionary quick change system for angle grinders. So attach the accessory with just one click and release it by just pulling the lever.
We have a full, huge range of Bosch X-Log accessories. An additional benefit of those accessories is that they fit as well on a standard angle grinder.
So the main benefit is convenience, 100% tool-free, no losable parts, and up to 5 times faster than comparing changing systems on the market.